Hey y'all, it's Shireen Francis, and today I am taking you behind the scenes of a total brand photo shoot and makeover.
This is our current client, Dana Page from Turn the Page Consulting, and this is actually the outcome of her website. And I'm going to share with you the process that we took to get to this brilliant website. Now, before we could even get to studio, what we did in order to plan out all her shots for her website was first write the website copy to understand what we would be talking about, what is the story, the services, and about her brand and her messaging. Once we determined her copy, we were able to start planning the visuals that would illustrate what we were trying to communicate. So that's when we went over to doing the brand identity work. The logos for Turn the Page Consulting had bold visuals with a vintage vibe. Pink obviously is Dana's favorite color to incorporate. While we got fonts that again really stood out and were bold. And then we went around the web to find images that inspired the look for the brand. And of course, we found this amazing studio with pink floors. We also came up with a shot list. So the shot list not only tells us what we need in terms of props, so laptop, coffee mug, black and white, educational books. It outlined what she should wear in terms of the shoot, a hot pink blazer, a casual look as well. And we also determined the shots we needed, such as headshot of her plane, medium wide shot, shots with books, pages, her laptop, and so many different things. So we planned that all out. We even had a mood board put together. We went to Pinterest and put together some pictures that we wanted to inspire us. I love using Pinterest to inspire our brand photo shoots. So as you could see, we wanted to have a lookbook of pink and black and white vintage vibe. So these were images that we found on Pinterest to make. So with the mood board, the shot list in place, with all of the primary, secondary, and tertiary logos, colors, fonts, and plan, we were ready to go to set to start shooting for Turn the Page Consulting.
So here we are, beautiful pink curtains, beautiful pink floors, beautiful makeup station, and a white wall. So I am so excited. This is gonna be an amazing shoot. We are gonna have a ton of fun. I can't wait to show you behind the scenes. The first thing that I'm gonna do is set up and just make sure everything is ready for when our client comes. Woo.
Is the pink look? Like, when would be the best time, do you think, to get the pink stuff?
I think, you know, like my editing, so I would say use this and you use this. I think I would can't say that about you.
So we're about to get started. We have our client here, Dr. Page with Turn the Page Consulting, getting her makeup done by Sandy Beauty. And we have our photographer here, and we also have our set assistant.
What I love about this shoot is that Dr. Dana Page flew all the way from Kentucky just to work with us in Toronto. She is an education consultant with a mission to transform the Black student experience. Her brand is bold, inspiring, with a strong voice that communicates the urgency around turning the page to a fresh leaf when it comes to addressing critical issues in Black education. We love to create a relaxed atmosphere where professionals can have fun and express their authentic self. We take care of the location, scouting, props, makeup, food, refreshments, and so much more. And because I am a digital marketer and a multimedia producer, director, we can help professionals create everything from scratch, from the brand story to the message, to the website, photos, copy, brand transformation, everything, web design, social media. It's just amazing. The outcome is a personal brand experience that our clients are super happy with. They love their photos, their brand identity, and they feel deeply connected to their personal brand message. They are ready to market themselves with confidence.
So great photo shoot. We are almost wrapping up now. Our client is having a ton of fun in the beginning, a little bit anxious, but she just got into her mood and got into her skin, put some music on. She let her hair down, her pink hair down. Now she's totally comfortable in front of the camera. Got some amazing shots, got different looks, a casual look, a dressy look. Now we've got most of the shots. We're just doing some extra things like BTS, which is behind the scenes footage of also this entire experience, some footage of her talking about her business, talking about the impact that she's making. And we are almost done. I can't wait to see the finished photos.
Well, yeah. Oh, I didn't know you were going to give all that. Yes. Yes, don't let me get run over. Is somebody watching for me?
I am.
Good. Don't let me get run over.
We got you. We ain't gonna let you get hit.
Yeah, don't let me get hit. There you go. Yes. Your left. Yes, right there. Smile.
We are done with our client, Dr. Dana Page, and she's an educator, so we got some school supplies for her. They're actually off the notebooks from the shoot.
I love it. Thank you. And look at this bag.
Yeah.
I love everything pink.
Yes, and everything in there is pink.
Yes. I did.
Yes.
All my
So that-
notebooks.
And then all the pages, I mean, some of them might be banged up, but
No,
good memories.
yeah, it is. Yeah, thank you.
Good. And that's a wrap. We got all the shots we wanted on the shot list and more. We got to do a nice formal business look, a nice casual look, and we even got some edgy street style, which is what she wanted as well. And so we are super excited. And she is gorgeous. Not only gorgeous, she has her own style, her own swag, and her message is just seen throughout these photos. Oh my gosh, here are the results. And this concept, this entire idea only came about because we did that strategy session first. We worked on her message. We knew what it is that we wanted to see visually because of the copywriting and the storytelling that was behind this brand. And so we're super excited to introduce Dr. Dana Page of Turn the Page Consulting. Hey, and if you're in need of a makeover, a brand makeover, a message makeover, or you just need help with your strategy or all of the above, reach out. We're excited to help you. Let's get your brand to the level of impact that you desire. Let's get your identity together, your message. Let's go above and beyond. Thanks so much for watching. Go to personalbrandboss.com for more resources, insights, tips, or to work with us.